The Verman Group is a leading textile conglomerate in India, with a turnover of more than $1 billion and the largest spindle count in the country. Every year, Verman produces 240,000 metric tons of yarn and weaves over 240 million meters of fabric. With 18 leading-edge manufacturing facilities, Verman blends local connectivity and global accessibility to cater to customers in more than 75 countries. A fundamental pillar of our growth story is our family of close to 30,000 employees who deliver top-notch quality through their talent and commitment. At Verman, it is our constant pursuit of excellence that inspires us to challenge our limits, sharpen our acumen, and deliver to exacting standards. While excellence is our sail, values are our compass.
It is our customer-centric approach, which has seen us become the largest vertically integrated textile manufacturer in India, with a strong and secure supply chain. The convenience of a single-stop sourcing partner and the confidence of quality and timely delivery has made us the preferred partner to a host of global brands.
Verman's operations span the entire value chain from spinning, weaving, and processing to dyeing and garmenting. Verman houses 1.1 million spindles, the largest spinning capacity in the country, and is a leading producer of fabrics with 1,550 looms and processing capacity of 180 million meters per annum. The garmenting division of the group produces 1.8 million shirts annually.
Today, adapting to new ideas is essential and has to be done in real time. It doesn't end with inventing, rather begins with reinventing. You have to anticipate the probability of an upcoming opportunity and prepare for the same even before it comes.
Our dedicated team of designers and technical professionals analyze and predict the latest trends in fashion. With their insights and expertise, we create and showcase seasonal collections of our own, as well as develop customized presentations that meet specific customer requirements. Today, approximately 30% of the products we manufacture annually are our own creations. Technology and innovation form the core of our manufacturing processes and are spearheaded by a dedicated corporate technology cell. Approximately 95% of our ring frame capacity is with auto-doffing, and about 60% capacity is with link owners. All the winding positions are equipped with Ooster Quantum 3, and all the cotton lines for contamination control are equipped with Ooster Vision Shield Magic Eye. 100% of our ring frame production positions are equipped with ring data system, and speed frame in all the recent expansions have auto-doffing and roving transportation system. Our R&D labs are powered by advanced technology from Ooster, a vibrant design studio, a fully integrated value chain with complete in-house control over each stage of production, and manufacturing facilities in multiple geographies enable us to deliver consistency of product specifications within a batch and across batches. Reliability in delivering the right product in the right quantity at the right time and place. Flexibility for customizations and in quantum of production as required by brands. Agility for accelerated implementation of new designs and midway revisions. Traceability for enhanced transparency and accountability. Sustainability for minimizing environmental impact and producing a positive social impact. Our sustainability framework, PRO, ensures we stay ahead of the sustainability curve by being a proactive, responsible organization. We focus on three main fronts that are people, processes, and products. On the people front, we consistently invest in enhancing their knowledge, skills, and safety to uplift not only their performance, but also their personalities. Women empowerment is a key focus area for Verman. Our submissions and presentations to the government for equal work opportunities have led to a policy upgrade that resulted in opening up opportunities for women to work in the night shift. Additionally, we also empower our communities by actively contributing for their socio-economic development through various initiatives in the field of education, healthcare, rural development, and environment. On the processes front, we are focused on water conservation, green chemistry, energy optimization, and waste management. From reducing consumption of freshwater to treating and reusing wastewater, from decoupling growth from black energy to eliminating hazardous chemicals, and from ethical sourcing of raw material to reducing, reusing, and recycling waste. At Verman, we ensure that economic growth and environmental responsibility walk hand in hand. On the products front, we have developed a large portfolio comprising green fibers and green fabric finishes. Consequently, we possess a large bouquet of green certifications. Today, we create an unparalleled collection of yarns and fabrics, for tops and bottoms for some of the most successful international and national brands, who demand exacting standards of quality, timely delivery, and sustainability. As the world of fashion evolves, we shall continue to tread the path of excellence as a responsible, responsive, and reliable partner for brands across the globe.